Tired of your Shopify store just not converting visitors into paying customers? Let's transform your Shopify store by creating a high-converting landing page designed to capture leads and skyrocket sales. First, from your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then click Pages. Click Create Page and give your landing page a clear, concise title. This is the first thing visitors will see, so make it count. Think summer sale or the name of a featured product. Now for the content, use the rich text editor to craft compelling copy. Start with a captivating headline. Then explain the benefits of your offer using bullet points. Don't forget to add a high-quality image or video showcasing your product. Shopify's default page template might not cut it on the right-hand side. Under Theme Templates, choose a template specifically designed for landing pages or create a new one with a cleaner, more focused design. A clean design emphasizes your product. The most important part, your call to action. Add a large, eye-catching button that tells visitors exactly what you want them to do. Use action-oriented language like shop now, get started, or learn more. Capture those leads by adding a simple email Signup form. This allows you to nurture potential customers even if they don't buy immediately. Use an app like Klaviyo or MailChimp to easily integrate a form. Finally, make sure your landing page is accessible in the navigation settings. Add it to your store's menu or keep it unlisted if it's for a specific campaign. That's it. You've just created a high-converting landing page on Shopify. Now you can drive traffic, capture leads, and watch those sales soar. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks. #Shopify landing page #conversion optimization.